AI-powered 3D interactive human anatomy and physiology step into the future of medical education today. And here's the groundbreaking advantage. This AI-powered 3D interactive human anatomy and physiology has been strategically designed to align with and enhance Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PM&DC) accreditation requirements. Before we dive into deeper, meet our country representative AI-powered 3D interactive human anatomy and physiology. Mr. Ghulam Farooq is a dynamic professional actively engaged in both the medical education and artificial intelligence (AI) sectors. He is the official country representative for a 3D interactive human anatomy and physiology, offering personalized consultations and live demonstrations to transform medical education through advanced technologies in Pakistan. He is actively conducting AI-based medical workshops throughout Pakistan, helping healthcare professionals, medical students, and faculty members integrate AI technologies into clinical practice, education, and research. His mission is to bridge the gap between healthcare and technology, making AI accessible and practical for the medical community. Let's dive in detail. Adapting AI-powered 3D interactive human anatomy and physiology into your academic programs will instantly elevate your institution's academic, clinical, and technological credentials, giving you a clear advantage in inspections, evaluations, and peer recognition. No more struggling with outdated models or printed atlases. It's time to lead with innovation. Why choose this? Because traditional methods are holding you back in a rapidly advancing world. Sticking to conventional textbooks and plastic models simply isn't enough. Medical education demands immersive, interactive, and dynamic tools that enhance understanding, engagement, and practical application. This is not just a product, it's a revolution in medical education. Here's what makes it exceptional. Transform passive, memorization-based learning into active, hands-on digital discovery. Convert abstract anatomical concepts into high-definition, lifelike 3D visuals. Deliver memorable, impactful learning experiences that empower students, interns, residents, and clinicians. And here's the best part. At just 1% of the cost of traditional anatomy tables, this provides unlimited lifetime access with no annual maintenance fees, no hardware replacements, no complicated software licenses, and no surprise charges. A one-time small investment with lifetime academic and clinical value. Imagine what's possible with this technology. Picture your medical student standing in a lecture hall, virtually holding a human heart, watching its chambers pump blood in real time. Envision your surgeons rehearsing complex procedures step by step in 3D before entering the operating room. Imagine your faculty conducting live teleanatomy sessions with international students, all through one single, powerful. This is no longer futuristic fantasy, this is happening today. Detailed features and benefits, elaborated. Explore fully interactive, high-resolution 3D human anatomy models. From head to toe, dissect, rotate, and zoom into the human body systems including skeletal system, every bone, joint, and landmark in perfect detail. Muscular system, individual muscles with origin, insertion, action, and nerve supply. Nervous system, intricate networks of nerves and the central nervous system. Cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, and reproductive systems, with precise cross-sectional and regional views. Dynamic physiological animations and real-time simulations. Watch animations that bring physiology to life. Observe blood flow through arteries and veins. See nerve impulses traveling across axons. Visualize muscle contractions during movement. Track oxygen exchange in alveoli. Comprehensive disease and pathology models. Enhance clinical teaching by studying pathophysiology in vivid 3D, including stroke. Observe affected brain regions and vascular damage. Heart attack, myocardial infarction. See blocked coronary arteries and infarcted areas. Cancer, view tumor progression and metastasis. Diabetes, understand organ damage at multiple levels. COVID-19's impact on lung tissue. Visualize alveolar damage and inflammation. Step-by-step surgical simulations practice procedures like appendectomy, cataract surgery, total knee replacement, cesarean section. These simulations enhance surgical education by allowing students to explore anatomy and procedures side by side. AI-driven voice and text search functionality. No need to scroll endlessly or flip through diagrams. Simply say or type, "Show me the brachial plexus." Highlight muscles involved in knee flexion and the instantly displays and highlights your requested structures. Live multi-user collaborative sessions. Host virtual classrooms and collaborative sessions where students, residents, or healthcare professionals can share custom models, Annotate structures in real time, telestrate during remote consultations, integrate anatomy visuals directly into e-learning systems, immersive augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, modes. Revolutionize the learning experience by projecting life-sized 3D organs into your office or classroom via smartphone. Conducting full anatomy walkthroughs using VR headsets or Microsoft HoloLens. Creating interactive, multi-dimensional teaching sessions. Who can benefit from this game-changing? This is meticulously crafted for medical, dental, and nursing colleges, teaching hospitals and clinical labs, research centers and biomedical institutions, fitness, physiotherapy, and rehabilitation, experts, forensic and legal medicine professionals, paramedical, allied health, and public health educators. Whether you're educating future surgeons or training community health workers, this scales to your needs. Your institution deserves to lead, not follow. Gain instant advantage during PM and DC accreditations and inspections. Modernize your teaching infrastructure without the burden of expensive hardware. Enhance your international reputation by adopting world-class teaching tools. Give your faculty and students a competitive edge in medical education and research. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it belongs to those bold enough to claim it. Book your live demonstration today. Contact Mr. Ghulam Farooqi, Country Representative, AI-powered 3D interactive human anatomy and physiology, to experience a personalized, in-depth walkthrough of how this AI-powered technology can reshape your academic and clinical training environment. Modernize your institution, empower your students, transform your classrooms, because the future belongs to those who invest in it today. Contact details, email, faruqahaider76@gmail.com, atoolport@gmail.com, WhatsApp, 00923013572293.